The next important module is package tour sales. So let's start. There are few options to create the package tour sales. First is, if you already created the quotation for any customers, we can select from here, or we can create the sales without the quotation. In the next field, again there are two options. If you already created the packages for any destinations, we can directly enter the destination name, so the package will be reflected here, or we can create the new itineraries without the package. So in tour itinerary sections, we can add a number of days and generate the itineraries. So let's start with option number 1. Select the quotation which we already shared with the customer, destination type, tax name if required. If the customer is already existing to the system, we can select from here. If not, we can create as a new customer. Customer type, source, first name, last name, gender, date of birth, contact details, email ID, state name. State name is mandatory here. If the same customer is traveling into these tours, so just select this option, so the details will autofill in this section. If there are multiple guests, you can add the details. Enter date of birth. The age is auto calculated according to the age, date of birth. Adult, child and infant, this also auto calculated. If this is the international tours, we can enter the passport number, issue date and expire date. If the passport is expiring within 6 months of the tours, the notification will be displayed into the sections. So the next is traveling informations, where we can enter train details, flight details, cruise details. Go next. Hotel details. Select these hotel details is reflected from the quotation. We can select the meal plan in a particular hotel. Hotel confirmation number. Every hotel provide the booking confirmation number. So this number we can enter into these sections, and it will reflect into the hotel service vouchers. So customer can directly display this voucher number or the booking confirmation number, so hotel will allow accordingly. Transport details, excursion details, costing details is auto reflect from the quotation. We can modify if required. Tour details or the tour costing details, advance payment details. If customer releases some advance payment, so we can select the payment date, payment mode, amount, booking summary. Here we can define the customer specific requirement. Payment due date. If we select the payment due date here, so automatically the payment reminders will send on the email ID of the customers and account person. This is booking date and save. Once you click on save, the booking confirmation details, advance payment receipt details auto send to customer email ID. Also we can directly send on the WhatsApp as well. Booking details as reflected into the table. Now the most important is all the travel documents or the invoices is automatically generated into the system. So we can see one by one. Booking confirmation vouchers. So this is for customer. This is again auto generated. You just need to download it and send to the customer for the confirmation or the signature. In this booking vouchers, we are showing booking details, guest details, hotel details, transport, activity details of the excursion, flight details, inclusion in the tours, exclusion, terms and conditions, booking summary details, and payment details. Also we are showing the book by person, so here you can take the customer confirmation signature. Next is invoice. So the tax invoice is auto generated into the system. Once you received the full payment, you can share with the customer for the banking purpose or the taxation purpose. In this invoice, your logo will be changed, company details, customer details, invoice details, services details, net payment, paid payment and outstanding payment details. This terms and condition will reflect from the master tables. Also we are showing the receipt details into this section. Save and share with the customer. Third, service vouchers. So we need to select the vehicle details, the pickup point, drop-off point, driver details, the contact number of the drivers, confirm by, special arrangement, inclusion and exclusions, and generate vouchers. The voucher PDF will be generated, which we can share with the customer, and customer can show in the hotels, transfers, and the activity section. So here you can see the hotel details will be reflected here. Your logo will be changed, booking details, duration, total guest, number of rooms, room categories, guest name, confirmation number from the booking section, check-in date with time, check-out date with time, meal plan, and emergency contact details. If you already added the terms and condition, it will reflect here. Similarly, second hotel details vouchers will be reflected in these sections. Next is transfer service vouchers. So this is for transfer companies. In these vouchers we shown the vehicle details, hotel details, excursion details, and day-wise itineraries. So these vouchers will be helpful for the drivers for daily activity details. We can save it and share with the customer. We can view the booking from here. We can edit the booking from these sections, and the most important is filtrations. So we can filter the data customer wise, booking wise, and date wise. All this data we can export into the Excel sheet. This is all about package tour sale. Next is payment receipt. As we have entered, we have received 25,000 in the cash mode, so the receipt is auto generated. Again, the account person just need to download this receipt and share with the customer. He no need to create anything manually. So these are the receipt details, receipt number, your logo will be changed, company details, receipt amount, payment date, payment mode, balance details, services details, to name, to date, and here we are showing multiple payment receipt installment details. Then visa status. If this is for international tours, you can update the visa status into the sections. Like document is confirmed, document received, document pending, processing, visa confirmed. If you would like to send any confirmation email or the pending emails to the customer, enter the draft here and save it. The mail will be sent to the customer. First, you save the booking. All accounts is auto reflected, like your bank book or the cash book, balance sheet, profit and loss, device activity, etc. So this is all about package tour booking sale.